What's going on, guys? Should be a good day here. We finally got an email back. Our parts are done for the Jeep Wrangler, the TJ. So we're gonna go get those and start working on that bumper finally. Woo! We'll go get this bumper stuff, but look at this. It's 44 degrees into September. Woo! Got my hoodie this morning for sure. Alright, let's go grab the stuff and then get it installed. What's up, guys? We're back in the shop now. Gonna be continuing on the Jeep TJ here. We got our CNC parts picked up. As you can see right here, looking pretty good. That'll be the back bumper there. These will be the rocker guards here, some mounts, and then the D-ring stuff. All we gotta do is get our brackets mounted up right here, measure or mark out our holes and get them cut. Should be pretty well marked already. Alright, we need to grind on the inside of these just a little bit. It's not a true 90 degrees cut right there. You can get these started, but then it just won't go all the way through. Just got to knock off that backside just a little bit. Should slide right in. Alright, guys, we got the rear bumper here mocked up. You can see basically what's all going on with that. It's slightly tilted forward a little bit. I don't have a good way to hold it up there, but it's got the D-rings in there and stuff. It's just tacked in a couple spots. Tire mount will go here. It won't stay in though, so I gotta tack that in there. Get kind of an idea here on the TJ, but not too bad looking. Get the hitch receiver mount in there, and then finish up these sides, and then work on the spare tire carrier. But yeah, we got that going on. Let me know what you think of this rack here. I already built this for a Jeep Renegade like years ago, and then it was just sitting there in the bushes at home basically by the shop. I dug it out to see how it would fit up on here. Not exact, but it seems to work pretty good. Probably change it up a little bit if I built one actually for it or not for this, but it's got a nice little safari look to it, I think. Alright, guys, next we're gonna fit up our rocker panels here that we just had them cut out. We just gotta pull off the little black fender filler right here, the lower part, line it up, mark out our holes, and then punch them out, get them ready for mounting. Make sure everything fits upright and stuff. This is the first set, so see what happens. This should be good just by eyeballing it, but yeah, let's get this little piece off, and then I'll show you what we did different than a lot of others do. If you don't have one of these little 1/4-inch ratchet Milwaukee drills, I suggest you get one. Make your life easier for doing stuff like this or in tight spots. strip. Oh, shoot. If it makes it easier, unless the bolt head strip. I don't know if we can. Yeah, it's not turning at all. I wonder if we can. Alright, that makes it easier. Alright, now that that's out of the way, we got this here. We'll clean this up before we put the final product on there. But we gotta mount it up, make sure everything works. There you go, get an idea how it's gonna mount up here. This is the one they messed up on. They bent it a little bit wrong. So the lettering's a little off now, or it's part of the bend. So we'll get that rebent, but as you can see underneath here, we did this on some of our other rock sliders. Just bent the bottom, and then that way it should give you a little bit more protection underneath and stuff. Pretty easy, pretty even with the belly of the body. But yeah, it should look pretty good sitting on there. Now let's just go to the other side and get the other one set up. Alright guys, we just got done doing what will be the spare tire carrier arm here. First came through, used the grinder to cut that out a little bit, then we grouped it with, then we did the burr bit on it. And so get a little bit better fitment on there. It'll be up higher in the middle, but it'll give you an idea here. Get that welded in there. That way we have a nice clean fit up. This will get cut to length here. We'll get a latch put in. Alright, there we have it. We got our swing arm in here. Oh, did I go too far? But I think we'll have to end up putting a little stop right here. That way it doesn't go any further. Put a little stop back here so that way it doesn't go any further. Get our latch hooked up in here. But yeah, that should work. It's supposed to be good for 2,000 pounds with the spindles that we got. I don't think we'll be anywhere near that. But it does have to fit a 37-inch tire on it. All right, guys. We got everything basically welded up on the bumper that we have already. As you can see here. See the next thing. We're waiting on a few parts still. And stuff. After I got all this back, then I could design the rest of it, just how my stuff's set up. Find a hitch receiver that'll fit in there right, that's long enough or at least close enough that we can modify it down. Get our sides in. I think there's a few changes that we'll do on our actual production thing. We got our lower swing arm done. I think we're just going to use a pull pin right here to lock it in place. I think that'll be easiest. Put a plate here, put the hole in it or something, or on the back side. It'll be more here, maybe so it's out of the way. Hit that like button if you like this type of projects. Subscribe if you're not already. We're almost to 500, so we can start getting our community tab and stuff and just kind of do some regular posts and stuff. But yeah, comment down below what you think about this bumper, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.